Good day. This is Pierre Erasmus. I'm the CEO of ServiceFlow AI. ServiceFlow AI is a calling agent customer service solution. So we provide solutions specifically with the focus on customer service. And in today's call, we're going to focus on a specific industry, namely the hospitality industry. If you go to our website, ServiceFlow.ai, you will find out more information about our solution. In today's call, we're going to focus on the hospitality industry. Feel free to select more about the solutions that we provide. In case we have some case studies of hotels and restaurants that you can go through. Today we're gonna focus on a customer called Boho Manor. It's a hotel in the Russian River, California, and the service provided there is the Pro Business service that allows Boho Manor to integrate with their booking reservation system. In this case, their reservation system is Webrezpro. Webrezpro is a boutique solution that helps boutique-like and bed and breakfast type of hotels integrate their bookings into a reservation system. And in this case, it's a calling agent. So this solution specifically is called the Pro Business. We as ServiceFlow AI create the agent with no setup fee. Just a flat rate of $250 per month. It includes 1,000 minutes per month. This solution specifically is focusing on inbound calls, but you can also activate outbound calling. It also includes a Genius knowledge database. In other words, the AI can include specific information about your establishment. And it also includes 2 to 3 agents. So in this case today, we're just going to focus on the reservation system, but they also have another agent, for instance, like the concierge, a third agent, which is the restaurant agent. And today we are focusing on the hotel agent. So just to give you a little bit of background, Boho Manor is based in California, in Sonoma County, specifically in the Russian River. Boho Manor is a Gatsby resort, and they focus specifically on providing an experience for guests that it feels like they're in the 1920s, hence the Gatsby theme. They have 14 rooms, all very uniquely renovated and themed like a Gatsby environment. They have a piano lounge bar that is also very well renovated. Also, all of the Gatsby theme and a restaurant. And today we're going to really focus on the hotel. And the business case here is twofold. One, it's to increase the customer service level of being able to assist customers when the staff is not able to get to the call. So instead of a voicemail that the customers leave, they can talk to an AI agent that sounds just like a human. They can answer multiple questions. In this case, they can talk to the concierge, they can talk to the restaurant agent, they can talk to the events agent. And in today's case, it will be the hotel agent. And instead of waiting for someone to call them back the next day, they can be helped immediately and make a reservation on the phone in real time and ask questions about specific recommendations for the room. So moving on, the ServiceFlow AI solution has an agent that is set up for every customer. And in this case, the agent is the hotel agent. It looks something like this. This agent is then built with the consultants of ServiceFlow following sort of a scripted approach, not to be mistaken by an IVR system like selection 1, option 1, option 2, option 3. This is true large language model that can, just like a human being with natural language, answer questions and go through a booking process. Also specifically unique, you can choose different voices here. So for example, Boho Manor actually can also use, for instance, a voice like Frank Sinatra or Bing Crosby, specifically Bing Crosby, because there's a rich history of Boho Manor being featured in a movie called Holiday Inn. So one of the scenes was shot at the hotel many years ago. And so there's a rich history of, dating back to the 1920s era. So therefore the theme of the 1920s. And so we're today going to quickly make a call to demonstrate not just handling a hotel inquiry, but actually making an automated booking completely without the help of a human being. So just switching over to a dialer, obviously the quality is much better when you dial from a phone, but in this case we just use Google Voice to make a call to the Boho Manor hotel agent.
Welcome to Boho Manor, your perfect getaway destination. I'm here to help you find and book the best stay. Would you like to make a new reservation?
Yes, please.
Okay. May I know your preferred check-in date?
June the 3rd.
Got it. And when would you like to check out?
The 5th of June.
How many adults will be staying?
2.
And how many children will be staying?
1.
To confirm your details, check-in, date, June 3rd, checkout, date, June 5th, number of adults, 2, number of children, 1. Is everything correct?
Correct.
Great. I'll now check the best available options for you. We have a few great options for you. 1. Premium studio with balcony. Average per night cost ranges from $300 to $315. 2. Garden view rooms. Average per night cost of $250. 3. Garden view studio. Average per night cost ranging from $270 to $285. 4. River view rooms. Average per night cost of $285. Which type of room would you prefer?
The river view.
Allow me to search what room we have available for that room type. One moment. The available rooms under the river view rooms type are room 24, average night, price $285. Room 26, average night price $285. Which one would you like to book?
Room 26.
Okay, I am marking that down for you. Now, I will need some information to lock in your appointment. Can I start with your first name, please?
John.
And how about your last name?
Smith.
Can I please take your phone number?
408-233-6363.
Do I have permission to send you a text message for confirmation after this call?
Yes.
To confirm your booking, I'll need your address details. Let's start with your zip code, please.
94133.
Thank you. Now, could you tell me the name of your city and state?
San Francisco, California.
Great. Lastly, may I have the first line of your address?
101 California Street.
Let me enter all the information into the reservation. I have now confirmed your booking at Boho Manor. You have booked room 26, a Riverview room from June 3rd to June 5th for 2 adults and 1 child. The room cost will be $285 per night. A tax of 14% will be added to your room cost. Your total cost for the stay will be $616. You will receive a confirmation email and SMS with all the details. If you need any further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Have a wonderful day, and we look forward to welcoming you to Boho Manor. All right, take care. If you need anything else or any further assistance, feel free to reach out to us. Goodbye, and have a wonderful day.
Thank you. All right, so we have just concluded the call, and we will wait for the update within the Webrezpro solution. Just to make a few comments here, within the agent we are able to create a database or a knowledge base rather. In this case, it's very specific information about each room. So for example, you can ask questions: which room have disability access, or which room have a clear view of the river but doesn't have steps, or which room has a bathtub in it, or which room can accommodate more than 2 people or 2 adults. So that typical information, which is not possible or easily accessible by booking online, can be addressed within a call like this in the Genius knowledge base. Also, you're able to leave additional information. So in this case, we didn't collect payment information. We rely on the Webrez solution to follow the process of a normal reservation. In this case, the customer would be inquired to make final payment before arrival. In certain cases, they can even make a payment on arrival. So we are integrating basically with the Webrezpro solution. So I'm just going to go and update and refresh the screen so we can go back and look at the reservation specifically, make sure it integrated correctly. There you can see room 26 with John Smith has just been successfully confirmed. 2 nights. Let's just open it up. It has all of the information you would expect. It has the room cost. It has the taxes included as mentioned in the call. And now what can happen is, within a scheduled process, you can send the information to the customer to ask them to make payment, or you can integrate to other solutions which can then send additional information via maybe email or text to, for example, application as part of the booking experience. So at this point, thank you very much for your time. If you have any additional information, please feel free to drop us an email at info@serviceflow.ai. You can also call us if you like to. Again, our website is serviceflow.ai. We also have a few scenarios set up. You can follow us on LinkedIn, serviceflow.ai, where we have videos uploaded about the different solution and industry solutions. So please follow us on LinkedIn, follow us on YouTube. We are also on Facebook, so please reach out if you have any questions. Thank you very much, and see you next time.